Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Discord account. So if you want to create a Discord account, first of all open up your Discord application. After opening your Discord application, tap on register. After tapping on register, you can create the account using your mobile number, or you can also use your email. For now I'm using my email account, so tap on email and enter your email address. After entering your email address, tap on next, and now you have to enter your display name. After choosing a display name, again tap on next. So after choosing a password, tap on next, and now you have to enter your date of birth. After choosing a date of birth, tap on continue and create an account. So now you have created your Discord account successfully. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.